Magandang araw mga Chillionaire, and today pag-uusapan natin paano nga ba magbenta online or over the internet. I've been in this business for 17 going to 18 years now at makarami na pong pagbago sa technology when I started in this business. Wala pong social media and I'm not making video like this. So one of the biggest challenge ngayon ng maraming business owner, gusto nilang magbenta via social media. The challenge is very stressful. You gotta be extremely consistent because quite frankly, pagka nasa Facebook po kayo or Instagram, even if you own that page, hindi ikaw ang nagmamayari niyan. In other words, hinihiram mo lang yan kay Facebook, kay Instagram. So magkaroon ng changes sa algorithm, suddenly wala nang nakakakita ng post mo. So kahit meron kang 1 million followers, maybe 1% lang ang makakakita niyan. So that is the challenge with social media. That is why for the last 17 years, there's only one marketing that gave me the most of my revenue and profit. And that is email marketing. Okay? Email marketing. Now, you might be bago ka lang dito, maybe you first heard about it, or maybe meron kang personal perception about email and all that. Pag sinabi kasing email marketing, yung the word na marketing, yung most people na nare-receive natin na parang spammy. Alam nyo yun? Like, ikaw mismo parang meron kang internal conflict na, man, I don't want to send this kind of email to my subscribers, right? Because for most email na re-receive natin, very corporate, very spammy, buy now, buy now, buy now. But when I say email marketing, I am talking about more personal email, personal message, na para silang nagbabasa lang ng love letter. Or for me, in my case, I love storytelling. That is why if you are one of my subscribers, you can see a lot of my emails based on storytelling. Sa Facebook post, makikita po ninyo, marami akong mga ads dyan. So typically, yung mga ilang sinisend ko sa email, yun na rin ang pinopost ko sa Facebook. So that is why email marketing for me is important, extremely important, because you want people to read your email. Sino nga naman ang gusto magbasa ng email kung alam nila bebentahan lang sila? Tama? So, they won't open up the email, they won't click that link. But if there's a value na mapaprovide natin inside that email, and now that leads to them buying from us because they keep reading our email. And I believe that you should be aiming for at least 20% ng subscribers mo nag-o-open or nagbabasa ng email mo. So it is given that not everyone will open your email, not everyone will read your email. Kahit ho sinong the best marketer in the world, wala akong nagbabasa ng 100%. But I'd like you to consider that because number one, dumali na ho ang magsulat ng email ngayon because of AI and ChatGPT. So if you're not using AI or worse, you're not even using email marketing, you're already losing, so to speak. Number two, napakarami pong technology. It's so easy to use. May mga template na sila. You can subscribe to those websites. You can use them for free, at least in the beginning. You can build at least 1,000 subscribers, if I'm not mistaken, before you start paying. Pero by that time, you should be making money now from your email list. So think about it this way again. And I'm gonna end in here. Email marketing, think of it, it's like sending love letter to someone. Okay, mas madaling isipin yon. So if you serve a certain market, think of ano ba yung mga letter na gusto nilang mabasa. What kind of email? And then by the end of the email, meron tayong subtle, parang simpleng way lang to lead to whatever product or services that we sell. So in other words, we provide value first sa email natin, and then at the bottom, dun somehow na tayo magbibenta. Though very subtle lang, hindi naman necessarily buy now. Except in my case, pag may mga promotion ako, sure, medyo mas blatant yung aking go click here, buy now, register here. But generally speaking, I'm heavy on email marketing. So if you're asking me, how did I survive in many changes sa algorithm from blogging to SEO, ngayon may social media na and all that, email marketing still wins. And I would like you to do your own research that email still makes you way more money than social media. Go check it out.